Do you know what's not a secret? It's your credit report. Whenever you apply for a home loan, the lender's going to look at your credit report to help determine if you're going to get the loan, what's the limit on that loan, your interest rate, and if you qualify for any programs. This is Brian Mason, your Northern Virginia Realtor. Your credit report is crucial whenever you're applying for a loan. So you want to make sure that it's not a secret to you what's on your credit report. You want to pull it up. There's a law that forced the credit bureaus to provide annual free credit report to everyone. All you have to do is find their website, apply for it. Remember, there's a lot of websites that will try to trick you and say that it's free and it's not free. You got to sign up for something. So you want to look for the official one. If you want more information, send me a message at my email address. I'll be more than happy to assist you in that. Well, on your credit report, they're going to look at your payment history, your debt to income ratio, and the age of credit history. With your payment history, what they're specifically looking for is if there's any missed payments, if there's any late payments, or if the debt collectors are coming after you. You want to make sure that your payment history is accurate. They do make mistakes from time to time, so you want to make sure it's accurate. If there's any discrepancies, you want to contact the credit bureau. Each one has a different way of contacting them to fight these discrepancies. Make sure that you have proof of that you either paid it or that it's wrong. Next is debt to income ratio. What they're specifically looking for is how much debt are you carrying. If you're making $50,000 and you only have $2,000 in debt, then you're only at 4% for your debt to income ratio. Not too bad. However, if you make $50,000 a year but you have $70,000 worth of debt, that could potentially scare them off. What you want to do in this instance is pay off that debt. You want to minimize it to show that you're carrying that debt for whatever reason. Doesn't matter, but you have the ability to pay it off. Next is the age of credit history. You do not want to open any new lines of credit. No new cars, no new boats, no new credit cards. You want to avoid that stuff. Why? Because specifically, it might make them nervous to give you a loan whenever you just open up this new line of credit. They don't know how you're going to pay this line of credit. Maybe you opened this line of credit and you really didn't understand if you're going to be able to pay it or not. So they want to make sure that there's a history of successful payments for that. And it could take anywhere from 3 to 9 months for them to feel comfortable with that. So it could make the whole process a little bit longer before you get your house. And as you know, in this market, there's a shortage of inventory. So if you find the house of your dreams, it probably won't be around 3 to 9 months later. So you want to make sure that's correct. Hopefully this helps you, this guides you, this gives you some answers on what to look for whenever you're looking at your credit report. This is Brian Mason, your Northern Virginia Realtor. And until next time, Brian Mason out.